Hello, welcome back to Chef Ramy Kitchen. Today I bring steamed fish with some vegetables. First we need some ingredients: chicken stock, sugar, lemon, sesame oil, fish sauce, and some vegetables like mushroom, pak choy, Chinese cabbage, broccoli, some coriander, garlic, lemongrass, red chilli and ginger. We start with lemongrass. Chop finely, and ginger and some garlic. We mix all together in a bowl. One by one. Then I have some peanut oil, fish sauce, chicken stock, lemon juice, soy sauce, and some Thai red chilli. Chop finely. Small pieces better. Make sure not so spicy. Fresh coriander. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix it well. Add the peanut oil. Now your sauce is ready. I cut all the vegetable small size except mushroom. So I take some fish, fillet, and I cut it a small piece. Not that much small, but little bit small pieces. Now I put in the bowl all the vegetables: bok choy, mushroom, broccoli, and add the sauce on top. Then add the fish, and again red chilli, coriander, and then finished with sauce. Now I'm going to steam the fish about 8 to 10 minutes. Now your fish is ready to go. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.